I've walked through the ashes, I've carried the flame. Every scar on my body's got a hard-earned name. They said it would break me, burn me down to dust, but the heat just forged the steel in the bones I trust. Yeah, I'm branded by the fire, carved by the pain. Every blister, every burn runs wild in my veins. I don't hide from the scorch, I don't run from the flame. I wear it like a badge, I ain't playing their game. What broke other men only made me rise higher, 'cause I'm branded by the fire.